What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to just pretty much patrol and see what happens here. Oh shoot, we got a call. Alright. So let me look at this. Let's respond. Hold on. Alright, okay, see our info, location. Alright. Okay, now let's respond. Okay, it says it's right here, so let's turn in here. I don't see anything or anyone. Okay, let's go inside and look what's up. Always have your beanbag shotgun ready. You never know what's gonna happen. And it's better to arrest than, you know, actually kill. So I don't see anyone in there, so let's go try to find this person. Just kinda go look around. Hold on real quick. Alright. Sorry, I don't know what happened there. But, alright, let's get back in this. And let's go look for that guy. Because it said that there was a suspicious person at the bank. So, yeah, let's just kind of drive around and look for him. It said it was a... Yeah. Alright, yeah, get that gun. Get the gun. That's good. Alright, now let's get responding and see if we can find this guy. Yep, lights and sirens on. Let's go. Alright, so we're back at the bank. I'm not seeing anybody. Okay. I don't know where this guy is. I mean, like, it's a small town. Oh, shoot, who's that? Yo, who's that? Who's that? Let's pull him over. Pull him over. Hold up. Alright. This could be them because they went back to the bank. So let's pull them over and see if we can get any information. I think they're running. Oh, maybe not, maybe not. Alright. What the heck is an ambulance doing? So let's say, do you know why I pulled you over? Let's see if he knows why. What the heck, man? Why is he spraying his water? So yeah, we've been getting the report of a car that has a gun. Okay, so put that in. Let's see. This could be the guy. I don't know. Okay, he's not responding. What's going on? Oh, here he goes. Not me. Are you sure about that? You're all set to go. Whoa, 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 he has a gun, he's a gun. Oh, shoot. Go, 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 go. Shots fired, shots fired. Oh, shoot. Shots fired, shots fired. Sorry, excuse my horrible aim. Oh, come on. Oh, oh. I think I'm going to get him. I think I'm going to get him. Oh, 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 oh. That wasn't supposed to happen. Well, I think that might be the suspicious guy that was at the bank. Oh, and he just drove over me. Okay. Well, that was nice. Alright. So, okay. The medic's here. So bro really just walked away. Oh, okay. Whatever. Yeah, just respawn. We're gonna get this guy. We are gonna get this guy. Let's get my car and let's go get this guy. License sirens on. Let's go. So, okay. So, pretty much, I mean, what is his charges at this point? Murder of an officer and invasion of police. Yeah. So, he's definitely gonna get arrested. We'll find him. So, yeah. I don't know where he went. Where does this guy go? Okay, I do remember him over here, and he turned right up here from where I got shot at. So, I don't know. About to put a helicopter on him. Here in a minute. We'll see. At this point, I'm just going in circles waiting. Yeah, let's put a helicopter on him. Okay, now he can run, but he can't hide at this point. So, yeah. This guy is cooked. Okay. Oh, there's the helicopter. Okay, so it has eyes on him. Perfect. Okay, he's ours now. We're gonna get him. Easy, man. Dude, I wish they got rid of those construction things, the bumps. It's annoying. Okay, he's going into Springfield, looks like. All right. Okay, it looks like he's getting on the highway. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I don't think he went on the highway, to be honest. Where did the helicopter even go? Oh, there it is, way over there. Oh, shoot. Dude, I think he did a big circle and juked me out. Dude, he's so fast. Dude, he's in that Audi R8. It's crazy. Oh. Whoops, sorry. Let's try to cut him off. See if we can get him. Oh, whoops. Oh shoot, he just drove past, dude. He just drove in front of us. Yo, oh, there he is. Run! Stupid gate, open. Go. Come on, car. Oh, dude. Close, almost. He's so fast. Oh shoot, hey, is he stopping for us? Alright. Whoa! Bro, okay. Let's get him, he's ours. He's definitely cooked now. He's cooked. He might drown. We're catching up on him, Oh shoot, he has a gun. He's a gun. Oh shoot, oh no, okay. Oh my god. No. Dude, oh! First shot, nice. Got him. Well. Wow. At the end of the day, I mean, hey. We caught him. Yeah, how's that tree? Let's see what he got on him. Oh wow, he has a whole bunch of stuff. Dude. Okay. Now let's bring him to the cop car here. Let's bring him to the car. Put him in the back. And let's go to the jail. Okay, so we're back at the car now. Dude, he's yelling. Dude, you're going to jail. Why? What do you mean why? Dude, you literally were doing some weird stuff at the bank and then you shot at me and ran. What do you mean why? Like, come on, dude. Alright, well, let's head to the station. He said, bruh, I guess I'm cooked. Yeah, definitely, man. I mean, you're in the back of a police car. I think, yeah, you're cooked. Alright, well, let's get to the station. And, yeah. Alright, we're at the station now. Let's get him out of the back of the car. And, yeah, I mean, he's going to jail today. And for a long time, lots of charges. Alright. Yep, say cheese for the camera. Say cheese for the camera. Oh, yep. Alright, put him in his cage. Oh, he said cheese a little bit late. But, okay. Oh my goodness! He has a gun. Okay, run. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, that wasn't very realistic, but okay. I should have just detained him the whole time. Alright, well, should still be over there. At the jail. He's locked in there. Because everything's bulletproof and also all the doors are locked pretty much. So, you have to have a key card. So, yeah. Let's go get him. Alright, let's go. Let's try not to get shot up. Oh, shit. What the heck? Okay. Oh, I got him. Come on. Handcuffs. Oh, nice. Well, at this point, guys, that's kind of the end of the video. I mean, let's put him in his jail cell, and he's going to jail. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. See you on the other side. Subscribe and like. Peace out.